Meet the mother of all engines. I have never seen a car with this many nicknames. In Middle East, they call it Shabah, which means the ghost, because of its commanding aura but quiet, smooth ride. Other nickname like Beast in a Tuxedo, which is obvious why. In the US, they call it the land yacht. In some parts of Europe, I have heard people calling it Sloan, which is the elephant, the bear, and in some parts, they even call it the whale.
I fell asleep amid the flowers.
In 1994, this car cost $140,000 which adjusted for inflation would be around $270,000 now. It means the car was more expensive than a Ferrari 348 at that time.